Today's SAP barcode scanning systems must be secure, simple to log into, and work seamlessly inside the warehouse or out in the field, even offline. To meet this challenge, BCC Distribution created TranSEND, a store and forward barcode scanning app built for reliable online-offline connectivity. Native to SAP S/4HANA Cloud using BTP, TranSEND manages SAP inventory in the warehouse, receiving, picking, counting, and supports fieldwork such as plant maintenance, inspections, and readings. TranSEND easily adapts to rugged Zebra devices, from handheld scanners to large tablets. Using Wi-Fi or 5G, TranSEND supports real-time validation, online-offline store and forward capability, or offline batch mode operation. Authentication is simple. Just enter your PIN and SAP to securely validate the user's credentials. Shared Zebra devices? Simply switch users with one tap. Whether for inventory control, asset tracking, plant maintenance, or proof of delivery, TranSEND enables SAP mobility and barcoding automation across industries. Contact BCC Distribution to learn more about implementing TranSEND's store and forward solution and Zebra barcoding equipment directly integrated for your specific SAP business process.